are you? Welcome back to the channel. I am so excited because we are doing a what I eat in a day video as a raw vegan in Miami. I haven't done one of these videos in a while, and we recently moved to amazing Miami. You guys love it, right?
Yeah.
So I am so excited to juice this. I haven't had one of these in a while. This is not a red watermelon, so stay tuned in a second to see what it is. It's one of my absolute favorites. Can you guys let me know in the comments down below and let me know how you guys eat? But this is not the first thing I've had today. I did have 2 smoothies already that I picked up at a local shop. I have been having cacao lately, you guys. So look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Favorite yellow watermelon. Look, I will. Look, Victoria, yellow watermelon. Isn't that cool?
I want to lick it.
Okay, you're not licking it right now. So we're gonna juice this up. It's gonna be so beautiful, so delicious, and so hydrating. We just thrive, body, mind, and soul, on hydrating foods. That's what we need more of in this life. So that's what I love. So I did have 2 smoothies already today. I used to avoid cacao, you guys. I guess Miami has just, I don't know what it's done to me. So I've been having cacao smoothies every day for a little while since the move, but it's been delicious. I've been having fresh almond milk in it, cacao, this raw peanut butter, and a couple dates and bananas and a handful of spinach. It's really good. So I'm gonna kick that habit soon. I'm gonna go to Hippocrates Institute, but I've been feeling amazing. And careful, careful. I feel so high energy in Miami. I think the sun just gives you, like, the sun and ocean just give you an energy that the food doesn't. And so I'm sleeping less and still feeling amazing and energized every day. So I got 96 ounces from that watermelon, and nothing is going to waste. My daughter is eating the rest from the rind. And so I usually drink at least a 32 ounce of fruit juice a day, and at least a 32 ounce of fresh green juice every day too. And life is just going so good in Miami, you guys. Obviously there's also been a lot of adjustments. The schools are a lot stricter in the US, and there's been a lot of things to adjust to, but overall it's been great. I absolutely love it. So let's dig into this. Cheers, Victoria. Oh, that is so refreshing. I swear nothing hydrates you more than fruit juices or coconut water or juices, because they're living, they're alive, and water is not alive like that. So just gives you an extra oomph. And you guys have been asking a lot about why I moved to Miami, so I'll talk a little bit about that in this video as well. I'm gonna go enjoy this, and I'll turn the camera on next when I have something else. Right now I'm enjoying some papaya. The fruit in Florida is so good. Papaya is my favorite fruit, and it was so hard to get it ripe and good in Toronto. So it's a big upgrade here. So I'm gonna have this right now, and we're getting ready to film a what I eat in a day video with Tori Washington. He's a vegan bodybuilder. You haven't had meat since when?
Man, since 1997.
Wow, and how do you feel?
I mean, I feel like I'm not missing out on anything.
Yeah, and you look amazing. Like, I'm sure they've seen you before, but it's insane. So, like, what's the best part of being vegan, and why are you vegan?
So my vegan journey, actually, just to make it real quick, was nothing related to health, wellness, or the environment. I mean, now it's transitioned into all of that, but it started just because I didn't want to be a hypocrite, and I can go more into that later. But you know, we talked about that on her podcast. But and you know, I don't think I'm missing anything. You know, I feel good. I feel great. I'm thriving. You know, I feel like 30 years old, 28.
And you're 50. Like, it's insane. It's insane. It's working. It's amazing. So you guys subscribe, because we're going to do a full what Tori eats in a day to look so good, bodybuilder, feel so good. And yeah, he's 50. It's insane to me. So subscribe for that. I'll put our podcast video down below, and then I'll turn on the camera again when I eat next. So I just finished filming with Tori. The video was incredible. So make sure you guys subscribe. Stay tuned for that. He just has so much knowledge and inspiration. The guy looks freaking amazing, 50 years old, and just such an inspiration. So his food looked awesome, but as you guys know, he eats cooked and I eat raw. So I'm here to show you what I'm still eating today. I am hungry. I'm gonna indulge in some of these amazing mangoes. So look at these. Again, like, I do notice a huge difference now that I've moved to Florida in the quality of the food and its ripeness. Like, it was very hard for me in Canada to get such ripe mangoes like this. So look at that, you guys. Like, I could never get such good mangoes there. So this is such a life upgrade moving here. I'm really happy. And you guys ask, like, why Florida? Well, my dad is in Florida. He lives here, and then my mom comes here half the year, so it's nicer to be closer to family. And just obviously the weather, the ocean makes me so happy, and being close to good podcast studios, which Miami is. So that's one of the reasons I chose Miami. So I'm gonna go enjoy these outside, and I can't wait to show you guys what's next for dinner. Okay guys, so I'm gonna have a big meal. Just freaking the food is so good here. Look at the salad I prepared. Organic greens, we have some cucumber, cherry tomato, fresh avocado. I have a pineapple mango salsa, some fresh onion. These peppers, somebody tell me what this kind of pepper is called. I'm so addicted to it lately. Put it in your salads because so good. They have this whole specialty section at Whole Foods in Florida, which is so freaking awesome, where you can get these amazing crackers that are made and brought in by the company. So these are flax crackers that I've been enjoying in my salad. Usually dehydrated food bugs me a bit, but these feel nice and light. I've just been thriving with them. So I'm gonna enjoy this big salad, and you guys, follow me on Instagram because I just did some reels with some new dressings I've created to die for. So I wanted to write out my recipe to make sure I gave it to you guys and got it correct. This is the best dressing in the freaking world. I am addicted to it. So this is my herbed green goddess, and it's half a cup of raw cashews, soaked ideally, a quarter cup of fresh parsley, a quarter cup of basil, a quarter cup of chives, fresh, all fresh if you can, a juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, quarter cup of water, and some sea salt and pepper. The flavor is insane. So I'm gonna pour this all over this, enjoy this right now, and then I can't wait to show you guys what I'm gonna have after. Still chilling outside in beautiful Florida. You guys, my backyard is amazing. If you haven't seen my house tour video yet, I'll post it down below. If it's not up, it'll be coming soon, so subscribe so you don't miss it, because this house is insane. And I'm gonna enjoy this yellow dragon fruit. So if you guys have not had this, the best kind of dragon fruit. It doesn't even compare to the pink dragon fruit. It's insane. So when you see these at the grocery store, pick one up. Absolutely delicious, feels so healthy, so much fiber, so good for your colon, your digestion. It just makes you feel good, makes you feel happy. The raw foods do that. All right, so here we are. I'm gonna enjoy my last food for the day. I just wanna see you guys start eating more raw food. It makes you feel your best, and it's just so alive and beautiful. And so there's no way I could accomplish what I do in a day without the raw food diet, or not diet, lifestyle. This is, so you can pick things up on the go even these days if you're busy like me. I've been loving this here in Florida. I know they get it in California and other states as well. So this is GT's 𝒂𝒂𝒊𝒕𝒉𝒈𝒊𝒂𝒏. So this is a coconut yogurt loaded with probiotics, and all it is coconut meat, coconut water, and probiotics, and it just makes my gut feel healthy, happy. When I eat this, I feel like I'm laughing more, and so I've been having usually a jar of this every day, and then I add in some fresh blueberries and some fresh raspberries as well, and it's a great snack. Everybody loves this who comes into my house too. They eat all these up. So if you don't have the time to make the fresh coconut, then do that. And I just want to say, after I finished with Tori, I did make a green juice as well. I forgot to show you guys, but the lemon ginger blast, Lou's classic recipe. So look at that. Okay, you guys, delicious, right? I'm going to indulge in this. The last couple of months, I have picked up a habit of having kombucha. I know there is some sugar in it, but I don't know. I like these. I will get off the habit soon, I think, but I've been enjoying one of these now and then. So my friend's coming over. I'm going to stay up late, have some fun, hang out, so I'll probably enjoy one of these. And that's my day of eating beautiful foods that make you feel alive, electric, make you sleep better, make you feel like your best self. So I encourage you to pick up more raw foods today, even if it's just one meal. Or if you want to be all raw but find it too hard, maybe try raw till 4. Do what you can to eat more of these beautiful foods that God gave us. And I love you guys. Subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.